I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the heavy lifting onto the GPU. Enable CUDA, Metal, or OpenCL in Preferences so the scope uses parallel cores. Once done, drop the scope input to 1/2 or 1/4 resolution to cut per frame compute by 50–75%. While you do that, turn off overlays and history buffering that continually reprocess frames. They add latency. These first steps trade tiny precision for large speed gains, and they let you iterate without waiting on each frame to finish. Next, restructure how the scope receives pixels. Insert a single-pass, fast tone mapping that converts HDR to display range before analysis, because repeated pixel math is the main bottleneck. Then swap complex per-frame calculations for pre-computed LUTs or cached transforms so the scope reads a lookup instead of expensive functions. Make sure to batch frames or analyze only keyframes where possible. You still catch anomalies while cutting processing load. These moves keep accuracy where it matters and dramatically reduce CPU/GPU churn. To finish, sync the scope refresh to your monitor HC so it stops redrawing more often than needed, and profile both GPU and CPU to identify remaining hotspots. Reduce thread counts or change buffer sizes until throughput is stable. Make sure caching is enabled for repeat frames, then validate accuracy against a full resolution pass. If you hit persistent jitter or wrong values, clear the scope cache and re-enable one optimization at a time to isolate the culprit. This troubleshooting step quickly reveals which tweak broke the pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.